In this movie, we see a motorcyclist named Johnny, who is the stuntman who tries to cure his father's dangerous disease, cancer. His father suffers from chest cancer. He gets too much worried regarding his father's health condition. He finds a lot of difficulties in his healing or treatment. Meanwhile, old man who is actually a devilish soul contacts him and praises his bike riding skills and promises to cure his father completely on the condition of selling his soul to demon. He sells his soul and becomes hunter to hunt evil devilish entities or satanic demons. He is transformed into the Ghost Rider. He is sent to control thousands of corrupt souls. His father recovers completely from cancer, but on the same day he had an accident and dies. Johnny gets very upset and on returning home his bike slipped and he again sees that old devil man. Johnny gets very angry on him and rebukes him and says that why don't he forsake following him and says that he has killed his father, but that old devil man touches his chest with his magical hand and says that now henceforth he will work under his instruction. Then we see movie scene of several years later when Johnny grows elder and survives in a certainly deadly stunt. A news spreads on news media that Johnny is a strong stuntman. Then a scene of a bar is shown where we see a powerful young demon who is actually the son of the old devil man named Blackheart comes and kills all human there, but there are three non-human entities to whom he says to help him find out his enemy, that is Ghost Rider. Then there comes that old devil man. His devil son says to his devil father to hand over him the custody of everything and demands all powers of his devil father and says that this is his time to rule. His father replies, your time will come later, but still my time continues. Blackheart says, I'll bury both you and the Ghost Rider alive. On hearing this, the old devil man leaves from that place. This devil old man is a demon and the Ghost Rider works under him. The next scene is shown in which we see Johnny easily does the stunt to jump over several helicopters and surprises every audience. Then in new scene we see Johnny feels some changing in his body when he pours water on his hands. Then smoke comes out of them. After that incident, the old devil man meets him and says to kill Blackheart demon. Then the old devil man gave great magical powers of fire to Johnny and his motorbike with the help of his magical stick. Now Johnny has been changed into Ghost Rider and now his body and his motorbike are completely covered with fire. Then he goes to Blackheart and says to him that you are a rule breaker and go back to hell. But Blackheart orders three of his demons to attack him. They hit him from a truck. They think him died and go away from there. But truck driver is still there. Ghost Rider is still alive and turns him into ashes by burning him. Then he saves a lady being robbed by a street snatcher and asks the robber to feel the pain by looking into his eyes. After which the robber starts feeling the pain of all those whom he robbed and then dies. Ghost Rider is able to punish all sinners' souls. Then Ghost Rider meets with the caretaker of graveyard who is also a Ghost Rider, who rides a horse He hands him over a magical gun to shoot Blackheart. Then Johnny reaches a destroyed village where souls of many villagers were there. With the help of those souls, Blackheart fights with Ghost Rider, but in the end Ghost Rider wins and makes Blackheart feel the pain of all sins committed by those souls inside Blackheart, which Blackheart could not tolerate and dies. Then the old devil man comes there and says well done on his task and says that you are free now and you can start your new life henceforth. But Ghost Rider says that he wants to live his life utilizing all his powers against bad souls and against even old devil men. The old devil man replies, I will not leave you. He becomes very angry and then disappears. And here the movie ends. Thanks a lot for watching.